Hi friends, welcome to Techie Study and T-SQL tutorial series. In this video, we are going to discuss about check constraint in T-SQL. In SQL, the check constraint is used to ensure that the value inserted into a column that meets a specific condition. Here is an example illustrating how to use a check constraint with insert statement data. Let's create a table called employees with a check constraint to ensure that salary column contains the value greater than 0. Okay, if you will see the table, employees table, we have added the check for salary greater than 0 is the constraint, check constraint we have added. Okay, if it is salary is greater than 0, then only it will insert the data. Okay, in this example, employees has employee ID column as a primary key. Okay, salary column is defined with a check constraint ensuring that the value is inserted is greater than 0. Now let's insert the some data into table. Okay, let me use a training database and create a table. If you want to drop table, table name is the syntax. Okay, perfect. So this is greater than 0, salary, it will insert the data, it's done. So this is not greater than 0, so it will fail with the insert statement conflicted with the check constraint name. The conflict occurred in the database, which database it is, and which table it is, and column, which column. Okay, clearly it mentioned there that based upon that we can go ahead and easily verify the source data. What is the salary is greater than, if it is a table, select star from table where salary greater than 0, it will fetch the data. Okay, then we can easily identify. Select star from employees. Okay, where consider as a source table. Okay, salary greater than 0. Okay, it will condition less than 0, it won't fetch the any data. Why? This will less than 0, we will find the culprit record. What is the record is salary less than 0. In that case we can easily identify which is the row is erroneous record. Okay, that is the way we will filter the data. If it is source, if it is flat file or something else, that is a different ways we need to troubleshoot. Okay, the first one succeeds because the salary value is greater than 0, right? We saw the example. The second one fails because the salary value is negative and violating the check constraint on the salary column, hence it is failed with error. Okay, that also we saw that. So this is the way we will use for check constraint in our real-time scenarios. And if you are watching first time, please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. Do like, comment and share it to your social media. Thank you so much. Bye bye.